Hi, this is 𝗙𝗎𝗓. Today I'd like to talk about a very important topic in English grammar, and that is subject-verb agreement. In English sentences, subject and verb should agree with each other. Now, the question is, what does subject-verb agreement mean? It means if subject is singular, then verb has to be singular, and if subject is plural, then verb has to be plural. Like if subject is singular, then we cannot use plural verb. At the same time, if subject is plural, then we should not use singular verb. So without making an agreement between subject and verb, we cannot make a sentence correct and understandable. For example, he has or have done it. Which one is correct? Here, as he is singular, so the verb has to be singular. So which one should be the correct one? That is has. We could say he has done it. They has or have played could be any game like football, cricket, or any other game in the world. So they has or have. It has to be have because it is plural subject, so the verb has to be plural. Now, in some cases, subject and verb are separated by a prepositional phrase. As a result, it creates confusion among the student that which one is the original subject of the sentence. Now, subject and verb should agree with each other in such kind of sentences where prepositional phrase will not agree with the verb. Rather, verb has to be agreed with subject. Prepositional phrase basically provides information about subject. It provides extra information about subject. For example, the study of languages is very interesting. Here, the subject is the study and the verb is. So, the study is very interesting. Here, the study, what about it? It is actually the language study. So, the study of languages. This one is prepositional phrase. Here, of languages should not agree with is. The study has to agree with is. As it is singular, so the verb is singular. The study is very interesting. Now, let's move on to see some exercises that how can we solve subject-verb agreement related problems. Here, we could say, Robbie along with 20 friends is or are planning a party. Now, which one is correct? Robbie. Now, we need to find out the original subject of the sentence. Here, Robbie is the subject. So, Robbie dash planning a party. We could say Robbie is. As Robbie is singular, so the verb has to be singular. We could say Robbie is planning a party. Not friends are planning a party. Like along with 20 friends. It means actually Robbie with his 20 friends. But actually the planning is done by Robbie. So Robbie is planning a party. Then the picture of the soldiers brings back many memories. Which one is correct? Look at that. Here the subject is the picture of the soldiers. It actually a prepositional phrase. So whose pictures? This is the picture of the soldiers. So the picture, as it is singular, so the verb has to be singular. The picture brings back many memories. And then the quality of these recordings. So what about the quality? I think what quality? I think this recordings quality. It is prepositional phrase. As it is prepositional phrase, so it should not agree with the verb. Rather, the subject has to agree with the verb. So we could say the quality is not very good. So here, as it is singular, so the verb has to be singular. And then several theories on this subject has or have been proposed. So here we could say several theories, it is subject, and on this subject it is prepositional phrase. So it should not agree with has or have. Several theories should agree with has or have. So as several theories, it is plural, so we should take have with several theories. So several theories have been proposed. It should not be has because it is plural subject, so the verb has to be plural. And prepositional phrase should not agree with the verb. Rather, the subject should agree with the verb. So when we try to solve such kind of problem, then we need to find out that which one is subject and which one is verb. If you can find out the subject, then it could be quite easy for anybody to find out the verb, that should it be singular or plural. So one more time, if subject is singular, then the verb has to be singular. If subject is plural, then the verb should be plural. We need to follow this if we want to solve subject-verb agreement related problems. So thanks everybody for watching the video. If you want to get more videos like this, do subscribe our channel and like our page for getting updates. Thanks once again. Goodbye.